L Stamp Company started in 1912 as a rubber stamp manufacturer. Over the years, it's gone through different ownership, different sort of product mixes. We still make rubber stamps today. That's been continuous throughout the whole history of the company. Back in the day, 50, 60 years ago, they did some printing here and there, some offset and letterpress type things. I took over the company in 2002. I saw a lot of potential in the graphics industry to expand and grow and diversified. In 2008, we brought our first digital printing machine. And from there, over the past 10 to 12 years, we've acquired a few other smaller companies and by diversifying our product line. So now we're a full service commercial printer, full service sign shop with large format, flatbed, CNC routing, and that capability. We have multiple laser machines and rotary engravers on that side of the world. So that has allowed us to grow a lot. 2008 or so, when we really start selling some things on the web, we used some of our vendor supplied web solutions, which was okay at the beginning. Somewhere around, I want to say 2012 or 13, we diversified into another provider, which added a little bit more capability. Although it was better than what we had, it was very limited in our ability to develop it and deploy it and make it work for our situation. For us, our biggest challenge is integrating as much as we can these various technologies, various platforms, various processes, various workflows, and optimizing as much as we can efficiency gains across those things. So we spent a couple of years looking at other solutions to really encompass the full breadth of everything that we're doing, in this diverse situation. So that's why we went to the OnPrintShop, and that's been a big tool in our recent growth. OnPrintShop has been great for us for a multitude of reasons. We've been able to have much more control over how we present things, how we maximize the exposure of the site, which much better than our previous solution. So we tend to get orders from further away than we used to. So the ability to show up and organically in search results in different places has been really good. So that feeds us with orders that we don't really have to work very hard for. They just come. So the biggest thing that's really helped us, and we're really starting to expand on that quite a bit, is the B2B private little sites that we're doing for customers. Our ability to go and set those sites up, to add the products and set up the solutions for the customer in a relatively streamlined, easy way is big. And that's one of the biggest areas I see for us going forward, is using the B2B sites to capture customer loyalty, also to streamline our sales process. We can serve a lot of customers and we can provide a lot of solutions. I would say overall, it's been a good experience. Things have worked out well. We've been able to develop the web solution as a key platform for our growth and development without it being a huge burden to administrate or operate.